Hello everyone, today I wanted to give you a brief demo on how to use the zone lighting feature in your new Ford vehicle. Right now I'm inside the new Ford Bronco equipped with the Sync 4 12-inch infotainment system, and this Bronco is equipped with the Lux package, so I do have the zone lighting feature available here in this vehicle. And if you're wondering if your vehicle has this, all you need to do is make sure you have Sync 4, which is this platform you see in front of you, and then you want to head over to the Features tab available on the screen. So when I hit Features, there's a couple of different options that pop up here, and one of them is Zone Lighting. So I'm going to hit Zone Lighting, and right now, this is the main zone lighting page. So we notice we have a power on and off button up here in the top left, and we have a picture of the vehicle, as well as a couple of other options here in the top right of the screen. So I'm going to quickly hit the information button here, and it's going to give you a brief description on what this zone lighting feature is. It allows you to turn on groups of exterior lights on and off when your vehicle is stationary. Lights stay on despite zone lighting settings if they are turned on by a physical switch or button, which I'll get to in just a second. So right now, if I try to turn on the zone lighting feature, we'll get an error message, or just a pop-up rather, that says to use that zone lighting feature, I need to turn off my actual lights. And just because we're filming this at night right now, the headlights are switched to automatic, so I'm going to have to turn them off if I want to use the zone lighting feature for the front lights. I can still turn on other zones here, so if I want to turn on the rear lights, I can do that here, and you can see that. I can turn on the sides, left and right, and I can turn them off individually. And if I hit the front light, or our headlights, it actually gets a little bit brighter, but the headlights don't change. They're still on regardless of whether I hit this button or not. So I'm going to go over to the light switch right now, and you see that it's set to the automatic headlight mode, and I'm going to go and turn them off. And if I go back to the screen now, make sure that is powered on, which it is, I can actually go and hit this button and turn on all the zones, or I can go and turn them on individually, like so. And you can do this in any configuration, so front and rear, left and right, left, right, and front, you name it. You can combine them depending on the needs that you have. So if you wanted to just turn on your driver's side puddle light, say you drop something in your driveway, you want to make sure you are able to find it before you head back inside or head out for the night, you can turn that on. Or if your passenger drops something, you name it. It's really there for you to be able to see things at night without actually turning the flashlight on your phone or pulling out a flashlight from your vehicle. So it's a neat feature, and I'm going to show you exactly what that looks like with all the zones on in just a second. So let's turn on all the zones and then hop out of the vehicle. And then right here, you see that puddle light on the side. So our turn signal indicator on the mirror is actually on right now. It's very bright. And then underneath, there's another puddle light which shines down on the ground, and you can see that's actually pretty good at illuminating the ground. I mean, we are outside right now with a bunch of other lights, and you can see that it's still illuminating the side of the vehicle pretty well. Let's see the rear. It has your reverse lights, and then your license plate light is just slightly brighter than it normally is. So there's what the rear looks like. Same thing on this side. You can see how that illuminates the side of the vehicle. And then your full headlights are not on, so it is slightly more dim than your normal headlight, but it does illuminate the front of the vehicle. And you can just see how bright those side marker lights are here on the Bronco. So if you have any other questions or want to learn about any other feature available on Sync 4 or any other Ford product for that matter, please drop us a comment below. Thank you for watching and have a great day. Thank you.